Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about Hedera Hashgraph today, or HBAR, the bullish reversal alert. Could a crypto for HBAR, could it retest? And I'm talking about, can it go lower? Because you guys can see it from my last price prediction. The market in HBAR actually maintained the strength. Now, we was anticipating some lower pricing in HBAR, but before I concluded that video, I was telling you that this was a pocket of buying right there. And if the market's going to hold that pocket, then expect the market to go higher. The sooner that we saw price support a certain level, we knew how strong HBAR was going to be. And the market ultimately decided to hold this first buyer's pocket. They did not even allow the market to come all the way down to our next two buyer's pockets. That's why the market in HBAR continues to show strength. So yeah, if you guys didn't hear that part of the video, I get it. This would look like it went against us. I just wanted to see the market in HBAR go lower just a little bit, or at least test to see, okay, where are these buyers? And they really revealed themselves right here on these 3 days, that they was not letting the price go lower. All right, so depending on how you see it, it went well or it didn't. I get it. But what we're going to do now is get rid of that price prediction, and we're going to continually anticipate that HBAR still wants to go higher. Now, the crazy part is that we are now trading at a price that we haven't seen trade since 2022 in HBAR. It seems to me like more people are becoming more receptive of the cryptocurrency now. Okay, that's what it looks like. It looks like people are they're warming up to this new market, this new asset class. For us to not see price in 2 years trade at 20 cents is crazy. HBAR has been a mundane cryptocurrency trading around a nickel and a dime for the last 2 years. So congratulations to you who held out that long, because now that holding out is now playing out in your favor. So what we're going to do is straighten up this chart, okay? We're going to get rid of this pocket of selling here because the sellers did not have any impact on those buyers trying to push the market up. Now you can see on this daily chart that the market is currently closing off the high of that bar. What does it mean? It tells me that sellers are kidding the market. Okay, so we're going to bring it all the way back to where price was in 2022, and we're going to create levels that the market back then in 2022 could not break above, right? Couldn't do it. We're just marking a territory that we think selling will increase to stop the progression upward movement of this cryptocurrency's price. So these will be the 3 pockets right around here. Okay, so now the idea is that HBAR is still going to go up. Like, the trend is definitely still playing in this cryptocurrency's favor. This is a very strong buyer's pocket now. We don't want to see the market break this buyer's pocket. Not at all. Let's look at this on 330, see if we can make one higher up. Okay, so here's another one. Okay, that's another buyer's pocket right there. So now HBAR on the 2. Okay, I don't really like it because we have 8 hours and 5 minutes left, and we're currently seeing the market close off of the highs. That is indicative of selling coming in. Here it is on the 3. 8 hours, 5 minutes. Very strong spread. You guys can see that we are getting a push to go up bar. Buy indicators being triggered. I just don't like it closing off of the high of the bar. So in the next 8 hours, like if we see the market close near the high, this cryptocurrency is definitely still bullish. Here it is on the 4. Same thing, just like on the 3. Here it is on the 5. HBAR on the weekly. Here it is on the 2 weeks. So this market within the last 2 weeks went up 116%. Now make that make sense. You don't get this in the traditional financial markets. In 2 weeks, you can see your initial investment increase 116%. Here it is on the 3. Okay. Here it is on the 5 and the monthly chart. We're already up 14% to start out the month of December already. Look at all of the volume that occurred into the market in HBAR for the month of November. Again, this is on Binance Exchange. We haven't seen this much volume at all since the launch of this cryptocurrency on the exchange. Something has changed. The dynamics has changed into the market in HBAR. So what we're going to do is we're going to anticipate that this is going to continue. The market is still bullish in HBAR. Now I'm going to bring it all the way down here to this other area of support into the market in HBAR. But then we're going to create this one. Okay. First target is going to be at this next seller's pocket, which is around 17%, around 23 cents at the high, or maybe even 22 at the low. Next target will be around 25, maybe 26 cents, 27. That just shows you how strong this market is right now in HBAR. I must give you notice, though, I must tell you this, that given the massive strength that has occurred in the market in HBAR, we're due to see the price come down. All right, we're due for that. And for us to be trading right now, this pocket of selling, I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market go lower tomorrow or the next day. And I'm saying a move to where this buyer's pocket won't even hold. It might even come down and test the second one or even this third one. And that will make a lot of people nervous because 40% decrease in value. Oh yeah, that will scare some people. So I'm just giving you a heads up now that we could definitely see this cryptocurrency make another run to the downside. So your entry will play a major factor into whether or not you'll see profit up here at 19.5 cents, 20 cents, or if you were to buy it down here at this trend line to where the market is expected to bounce. Okay, so let me just give you that as well. Don't want to leave you all out there like that. All right, so let me go ahead and save this, and we'll come back and see what happens in the market in HBAR. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.